Hi everyone, I'm here with 3 minutes Photoshop. In this video we learn how to create text effect in Photoshop. First, double click to create blending options, add white stroke, then follow this setting. Right click and choose duplicate layer. Do the same with the other layer. Drag the layer below the text. Right click, select Create Clipping Mask. In text layer, decrease fill. And right click, choose Rasterize Layer Style. Drag the image below the text layer. Go to the Select, choose Subject. Click on Add Layer Mask. With brush, set the foreground color to black and start brushing. Select text layer and click on Add Layer Mask and use brush. I hope you enjoyed this video.